Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying the exact ports on your laptop and LG monitor so you know what cable or adapter is required. Use HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C for the best digital signal. Avoid VGA unless necessary because it reduces quality. Once you have the correct cable, power down both devices, unplug chargers, and position the monitor near the laptop. This reduces strain during connection and prevents accidental shorts. Make sure any adapters are fully seated before powering on to avoid detection issues. With both devices ready, plug the chosen cable into the monitor first, then into the laptop, pressing until it clicks or seats fully. Use locking screws or clips if present. Power on the monitor, then your laptop, because many GPUs detect displays during boot. Once the OS loads, open display settings to choose duplicate, extend, or use external only. This determines how you'll work. Adjust resolution and refresh rate to match the monitor's native specs to ensure sharp text and smooth motion. If scaling looks odd, tweak scale or resolution until interface elements appear normal. Finally, calibrate brightness, color, and scaling so the LG monitor matches your eyes. Save that profile for consistent results. If the screen shows no signal or remains black, power cycle both devices, reseat the cable, and try a different port or a known good cable to isolate the fault. Once done, update your laptop's graphics drivers and the monitor firmware if available. This fixes many compatibility and resolution problems. If you still see flicker, change the refresh rate and test again. These steps resolve most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.